Fashion changes all the time. Sometimes cycles repeat themselves. Fads go fast and classics stay for a long time. Think about the things you wore when you were 12. For me, it was a long chevron skirt in all different colors and these awful chunky necklaces. It was atrocious, but that's what was fashionable at the time. Look at what you're wearing right now. It's likely that what you're wearing might be from the 70s, 80s, 90s, or 2000s. That's because trends recycle and come back again. One thing that is always consistent is fashion. No matter who or where you are, you always need to be wearing clothes. So if you pick any point in time, you can figure out what trends and styles they were wearing. Because fashion evolves over time, things we wear today are influenced by past decades. So let's go over the 70s. So according to the Central Casting website, the 70s were an era where people started to become more creative. People were being adventurous and just trying new things. Social norms were breaking down. Vogue said, quote, "There are no rules in the fashion game now," end quote. I'm very thankful for the 70s to become more creative because I can wear more fun things than there used to be. Some of the trends that happened were things like bell-bottom pants, frayed jeans, midi skirts, maxi dresses, tie-dye, peasant blouses, and ponchos. The 70s played with a lot of fun silhouettes. Their jewelry was made out of wood, beads, feathers, and other things made out of nature a lot of the time. More 70s trends were tight t-shirts, flared pants, sweaters, cardigans, boots, platform shoes, all of those things. They loved bright colors, baby blue, yellow, mauve, and peach. They also introduced a lot of texture. So today we also have a lot of these trends as well. So tie-dye, midi skirts, frayed jeans, cardigans, boots, and platform shoes are just some of the things that we're starting to wear again, as well as bright colors. So now we're going to go into the 80s and talk about what they wore. According to Pearl Source, there wasn't a lot of media in the 80s for people to see. There wasn't the internet. So people were influenced more by celebrities, bands, and big brands, and things like that. Shoes that people wore in the 80s were Jordans, Doc Martens, heeled pumps, Mary Janes, jellies, and moccasins. Men wore Oxford shirts, polo shorts. They wore turtlenecks, khaki, suspenders, stripped linen suits, and corduroy. Women wore high-waisted jeans, leg warmers, ripped denim, spandex, lycra, acid wash jeans, those statement shoulder business suits, the punk leather, and leotards. Accessories included things like scrunchies, leg warmers, fingerless gloves, plastic bangles, and large funky earrings. Today, we wear a lot of those same things. So Doc Martens are very popular, Jordans, Vans, and Mary Janes are coming back as well. I really want a pair of Mary Janes. They also, the other things that have come back are high-waisted jeans, ripped denim, spandex, scrunchies, funky earrings, and fanny packs. So all of those are becoming trendy again. So now we're going to go into the 90s. According to CNN Style, a lot of people in the 90s wanted to be more low maintenance and comfortable. So the classics were slip dresses, Doc Martens again, chokers, and crop tops. People loved delicate slip dresses, biker shorts, turtlenecks, high-waisted jeans, baggy tees, scrunchies, and grunge lingerie style pieces. Things became a lot more feminine. A good phrase to describe it was it girls and broody boys. So today we wear a lot of these same things. So slip dresses, Doc Martens, crop tops, biker shorts, high-waisted jeans, and baggy t-shirts. A lot of what I wear today is from the 90s style. So now we're going to go into the 2000s, otherwise known as Y2K. So according to that same Central Casting website, there began to be a lot of different aesthetics in the 2000s. So some of those were hip-hop, streetwear, emo, scene, and athleisure wear. This was also kind of the rise of fast fashion, which is where people buy a lot of clothes and get rid of them really fast, which causes a lot of waste. So some of the trends were shiny black tones, reflective metallics, mesh, handkerchief tops, leather skirts, sparkly shoes, leather jackets, chunky shoes, denim everything, low-rise flare jeans, off-the-shoulder topped, rib sweaters, platform sandals, Ugg boots, and tracksuits. I know everybody loves tracksuits. So some of these things are coming back today. Some classics that we still have are crop tops, high-waisted jeans, leather, and denim skirts. With the rise of social media, a lot of these things are becoming very popular where people like the Y2K style, so some of those more micro trends are coming back. That, again, causes more fast fashion to happen, unfortunately. Now we're going to go on to today's fashion. So the 20s just started, but COVID was something that actually affected things a lot. So according to Pure Wow, things that people liked were very comfortable. So biker shorts were big, tie-dye was big for people to do themselves, custom sweatsuits, kind of creative projects that people could do while they were at home. So now that we're kind of coming out of COVID, people now want to be a lot more creative. So there's a lot bigger silhouettes, bright colors, fun patterns, more textures, mismatched prints, and people are also trying to dress like different styles. So those 70s looks, 80s, 90s, 1000s, people are doing those extra and bigger. So we'll still see what happens in the 20s since we're only a few years in. So now picture this. It's 15 years in the future and your daughter comes down the stairs. She's wearing that awful chevron skirt you used to wear and big chunky necklaces. You think to yourself, this is awful. Why would she be wearing this? But it's because trends come back over time. That's going to keep happening, and you'll continue to see things that you used to wear born in the future. Thank you.